Enjoy the best in lakefront living from this arts and crafts waterfront home. Built for entertaining and hosting, this nearly 6,000 square foot custom-built home features a 3-car garage, as well as 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms to accommodate all your friends and family. The open floor plan features over 2,000 square feet of slate flooring on the main level and floor-to-ceiling windows in the great room that offer a panoramic view to the sparkling water below. The large, open kitchen includes a 12-foot island with seating for 8. Nearby is the formal dining area and guest bath. The main level master suite is spacious and includes a jetted tub, large walk-in shower, and a TV behind the mirror above the vanity. The second floor features a large office space and family room. A connecting hall takes you to the spacious guest suite over the garage. The master suite, located on the second floor, has a private deck and also includes a jetted tub, large walk-in shower, and a TV behind the mirror above the vanity. The lower level is perfect for entertaining with gaming tables, a complete second kitchen, and a comfortable seating area with gas fireplace. Nearby are 2 additional guest rooms and 2 full baths. Outside, you will enjoy easy access to the water with a short walk on the raised wooden deck walkways, with 1,000 square feet of epay wood flooring on the floating slip and covered gazebo. Here in the quiet cove, you can enjoy floating, relaxing, and minimal boat traffic while having easy access to all of Lake James. With extras like a comprehensive security system, 14 sets of centrally controlled ceiling speakers throughout, and over 2,000 square feet of Tigerwood decks on all 3 levels. This spectacular home is your one-of-a-kind opportunity at contemporary lake living.